Hello everyone. So today we are going to make this. So let's start. So first of all, select type tool and type something. I'm writing the quick brown fox this sentence, and I'm sure you all have listened or knew this sentence before. Now select direct selection tool and select text, then right click and click on create outlines and then ungroup them. Now deselect the text and select pen tool. Using pen tool, I'm drawing a straight line and other shape to make T. Now select both shapes and go to object, click on expand. This will convert lines into shape and we can color them easily. Then I'm using pen tool to make a fox face in the place of letter E, using circle as its nose and changed line shape from strokes, making its ears, nose and eyes. Changing shape of eye and U with the help of curvature tool. Here I have selected both lines and used the shape builder tool to delete the extra or unnecessary area.